Vegas get pissed at too. Vegas, the man give up inside down Rusty Cutlass. The man give up inside Vegas.
Oh, check.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Sky God, Rotten Head, Jetta, the next banger called Intimidation. So, this is a diss track towards Octane. So, you don't know, say, Khago now ease up. Anytime Khago gets a chance, he might go shoot off for Octane. Octane, we need back the war in the dancehall, brother. We need back the war, brother. We need back the war, brother. You understand what I said to you? Yeah. So, you need to go into the studio, reply, write some song and reply, brother, because the war is nice, brother. And when the war did go on, I just you and Khago alone people are talk about. Nobody else, brother. You see me? No. So, we need back the war, my G. Make the war happen, you see me? Also, let me just touch on this. Don't worry about my setup here. I was playing a game and I never bother to pull on this way, move it aside, and you know. So I'm here and I'm doing it authentic, raw, just in that light, just like that, you know. So I'm gonna jump in the one and here where the G has said another one here. Let's go.
Sky God. Bang 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 bang. Bang into every week me I feel me quant up it. The ring by your finger you coulda get up it.
Whoa. The rhythm. Old school style, old school.
Bang bang.
Bang bang. Boom boom.
Bang into every week me I feel me quant up it. The ring by your finger you coulda get up it. Walking cemetery the way me make dopey. And not big dog them a mongrel puppy. Intimidation. Yeah, fuck face start war and I run Sheila. And no murder at them cause them a no gunman.
Intimidation. Fuck face. That's how I'm called Octane. Octane start war and I run 3 long. So basically I say, brother, you know answer. What I'm tell you, like where you there? You start the war, I know you run. Brother, forward back in the war, that's what the G said.
Them a mongrel puppy. Intimidation. Yeah, fuck face start war and I run Sheila. And no murder at them cause them a no gunman. 100 meter sprint on it in a marathon. Intimidation. Why determined for that you must live too long. A smooth badness girl devil gunman. St. Elizabeth killers have gone up in a hand. Jamaica Mishak, the boy have one and gone. Boy commit suicide, give one and done.
Bang.
Intimidation. Why determined
Bang.
for that you must live too long. A smooth badness girl devil gunman. St. Elizabeth killers have gone up in a hand. Jamaica Mishak, the boy have one and gone. Boy commit
What him say? Mishak? Hold on.
live too long. A smooth badness girl devil gunman. St. Elizabeth killers have gone up in a hand. Jamaica Mishak, the boy have one and gone. Boy commit suicide, give one and done.
Mishak, the boy have one hand gun. Mishak. Listen, Khago is a very fucking smart artist. Who changed them name from to Mishak? Who changed them name from Determined to Mishak? No, Determined changed the name from Determined to Mishak. So I must say, yo, him shock. Khago play upon words. Yo, Mishak, the boy have one hand gun. So he must say, Mishak have one hand gun. Determined have one hand gun. You see me? Bumbleclot. Cause remember in a way, you know, Determined a fire off a Khago, you know. Khago now look. So Khago say, yo, Mishak.
The boy have one and gone. Boy commit suicide, give one and done. Bang. Them a warrior, not sweet like no chibang.
2 crackhead him a kill. 2 crackhead. So, Octane him attack ya so, and Mishak. Me sure see a Mishak him attack. Me sure see a Mishak him attack. Me know that for a fact see a Mishak him attack. Mishak, sorry.
Suicide game one and done. Bang! Them a warrior and a sweet like no chibang. Your boy funeral keep on the boss with gun. Mother baller weep up a stadium. 2 crackhead song me a kill for fun. Yes, said them up a Florida rumpy tongue. Your friend a boy fruity we gun them down.
Him here say them they are Florida are do what?
Them up a Florida rumpy tongue.
Rumpy tongue. So if my understanding serve me well, I'm sure say determine the America. Determine back and forth to America and Jamaica, I believe. Because it seemed to alive about Tall Up and Rary, and I know say Tall Up they are firing now. So Mishak, Tall Up, Octane, all of them they are firing. So I must say, oh, Mishak and Octane, they are Florida, I rump it up. Yo.
Crackhead song me a kill for fun. Yes, said them up a Florida rumpy tongue. Your friend a boy fruity we gun them down. Boy them get me mad, some my guns some off the papa. Girl say me shock and fuck face in a bathroom a jacker.
See there. Me know say Bumbuckler and Mishak. Me know a Mishak him attack. Me know say a Mishak him attack. Huh? Determine. First of all, I hear so things start now. Eh? Remember say no. Like me say, determine I diss him up from a day. Well, I sing song I find from a day. And him now look. So, what one you saw? Him answer. Mishak, Khago answer. Khago at this you know. Cause you been at this him half. You been at this half five and him now look. So now him glance you. Him not look directly at you, know, him glance you. You know why him not look directly at you? Because this song have Octane name in it too. So it's not a direct look at you. It might glance you. Me blood.
Your boy funeral keep on the boss with gun. Mother baller weep up a stadium. 2 crackhead song me a kill for fun. Yes, said them up a Florida rumpy tongue. Your friend a boy fruity we gun them down. Boy them get me mad, some my guns some off the papa. Girl say me shock and fuck face in a bathroom a jack off.
Mishak and fuck face in a bathroom a jack off. Them a back face, them a choke rabbit, them a icy kite. Blood. No sir. No sir. Rude.
Get me mad, some my guns some off the papa. Girl say me shock and fuck face in a bathroom a jack off. Killer say Vegas na real Khago, the boy a knock off. Them a walk witchcraft. Bang.
Vegas get pissed at too. Vegas, the man give beside the rusty cutlass. The man give beside Vegas. The man say killer say you no real. The man say killer say you no real, my G. Remember say Khago and killer was going at it, you know. No, not Khago. Vegas and killer was going at it, you know. So no, him a tell us say, yo. Remember say killer did say you no real. Me my shit have to come out. You know why? Because that one is a chop. So my shit have to come out. Yeah.
Long boy them get me mad, some my guns some off the papa. Girl say me shock and fuck face in a bathroom a jack. Killer say Vegas na real Khago, the boy a knock off. Them a walk witchcraft. Bang, them fi dead. Make them know me nah save no lead. Gunshot a bust up in a tree of them head, them a fi shed.
Cheer them. Cheer them, Khago shoot off for now.
Na real Khago, the boy a knock off. Them a walk witchcraft. Bang, them fi dead. Make them know me nah save no lead. Gunshot a bust up in a tree of them head, them a fi shed. Make them know me nah save no lead. Violate jet a boss on that intimidation. Yeah, fuck face cat war and a run chiller. And no murder at them 'cause them a no gunman. The 100-meter sprint run in a marathon. Intimidation. Why determined for that you must live too long?
Boy determined for they must live too long. More access, but I can't wait till it done. Where sorry. Where Octane and Vegas have? Publicly? Alright. Me can say when me say publicly I go on. Me can say it. Can me see it publicly. But I choose that the first me I go say this. When the war go on between Octane and Khago, Vegas was taking Octane side. No, Khago side. Yeah, him attack, him go up on him life and him attack and I one bag of thing. On Khago side. When the war did die out and finish, so to speak, we not see him talk about Khago anymore. So does Khago feel away because of that? Does Khago feel say does Khago feel say Vegas just forwarding to get piece of the hype at the time and now him gone? I don't know what's going on privately. If them at call or them at text, but obviously not because him put him name in a song now. And I say, yo, Vegas I go dead. And we know said this is not the first time Khago shoot off of Vegas. And not the first time this. So I was quite shocked when I see Vegas enough up when time the war did go on between Octane and Khago. I was quite shocked. I'm being honest. I was quite shocked. So when don't beat me in the comment section, I'm just stating the obvious. I'm just stating what I see publicly on the internet. You know?
The 100-meter sprint running a marathon. Intimidation. Why determined for that you must live too long? Smooth badness, girl, the vil gun man. St. Elizabeth killers have gone up in a. If you know say man a brawling killer, you know. Tell me no one no friend for no. Cause anyway we both can shoot out me tell you no. Give them one and done man a killer for no. I said them boy they not bad, them no killer for me. Say them a fi send the teacher and killer for me. And Joe a fi
them a fi send the teacher and killer for me. None of them boy they not bad, him no want a friend from them, he must say. So he must say Vegas, Octane and Determined, aka Mishak. Him no want no friend from none of them. Them no bad. Them a fi send cartel or bounty for him. Yo, him need to calm down. Him have a few dopey on them belt. He's proven himself. Khago has proven himself.
But them no killer for me. Say them a fi send the teacher and killer for me. And Joe a fi make a new graveyard for me. Get them sit down and a plot up and murder me.
And Joe fi make a new graveyard for him. Dove cut full. Me pen cemetery full. Them a think make a new one for him.
Joe a fi make a new graveyard for me. Get them sit down and a plot up and murder me. Yeah, dance all graveyard man a full it up a dub. And fuck face tombstone mark who Khago dub. Vegas na
Yo!
graveyard for me. Get them sit down and a plot up and murder me. Yeah, dance all graveyard man a full it up a dub. And
Dance our graveyard, him a full it up a dopey. Him a full it up a dopey. Then him say, Rupago, no, not Rupago. What about?
fuck face tombstone mark who Khago dub.
Ah, shit. This when did this up?
All graveyard man a full it up a dub. And fuck face tombstone mark who Khago dub.
Him say, fuck face tombstone mark. A Rupago, him say this, huh? Because that is what Octane call him. Me sure say him not call himself Rupago right, right?
All graveyard man a full it up a dub. And fuck face tombstone mark who Khago dub. Vegas na friend
Fuck face tombstone mark Khago dopey.
it out to waffy be one of me dopey. You shot tombstone mark who Khago dub. Vegas na friend it out to waffy be one of me dopey. You shot you a go be the another one for me dopey.
Vegas, no friendly thought. You are gonna be one of me dopey. Mishak, you are gonna be the next dopey. So him a tell you say, yo, him ready now. Fi finally answer Mishak properly now. And deal with him wicked. Mishak, run out.
Na friend it out to waffy be one of me dopey. You shot you a go be the another one for me dopey. Them fi dead, make them know me nah save no leg. Gunshot a bust up in a tree of them head, them a fi shed. Make them know me nah save no leg. Violate jet a boss on God. Intimidation. Yeah, fuck face cat war and a run Sheila. And no murder of them 'cause them a no gunman. The 100-meter sprint running a marathon.
get ugly. Lord. Why? Yo. No. Don't go this way. Yo, the war get ugly. What me say? The war get ugly. Sky God ready again. Sky God took a little break and Sky God ready a bumbuckler again. Vegas, what you do? Mishak, what you do? Octane, what you do? Octane, what you do? Me bumbuckler. No, sir. Guys, leave in the comment section what you think about that song you for me. Oh, shit. Determined. The man ready, dog. Vegas. At this point, I just think Khago is just bored and just in the killing mood for just go and kill some people and just go and have some fun in the dance style right now. And Khago is a worthy opponent for anybody in the dance hall. Anybody at all. Cause Khago bad. Khago bad. Khago B-A-D capital bad. Yeah, he is. So wanna run out. Make dance all nice again. Summer is here. It's a hot summer. Please happy. Anyway, guys, this is what I'm going to leave down. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more from a G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, man. And I will see you in the next one. Intimidation. Pull up. Buckler.